How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically there are three simple steps from which you will be able to promote affiliate Amazon links on Pinterest. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for affiliate Amazon. Now, this is the website that you would be looking for. Go to Amazon Associates. Now, simply create an associate account, tap on sign up, fill up all this form over here. You will get several forms, and after doing that, here you can see all you have to do is sign up, then recommend the product, and then you will get up to 10% in associate commission. So after signing up and creating an associate account, what you will have to do is open Amazon account or Amazon application. You will not be doing directly from the associate website. So simply launch Amazon and then copy the link of the product that you want to promote and then open Canva. The third step is make a post for Pinterest. So first open Pinterest and then you will see several posts over here and you will have to make a similar post. So in order to do so, open Canva and then create a post using the Pinterest template. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.